Now I will show you how you can check your catalytic converter. First you can use your IM readiness data. See, we can see that cat is failed or incomplete, so this won't help me. But if I would see cat monitor green, I would know that my catalytic converter is probably okay. Anyways, this is just the first check. The real diagnosing is done with your engine live data. Let me open data stream. Let's check it as graph, and we will open data from oxygen sensor 1 and oxygen sensor 2. Well, basically all you need is oxygen sensor 2. Let's start with just that. I mean, on the graph it looks a little bit weird, but I would say the catalytic converter is working fine. This is because mostly it is keeping one steady voltage around that 0.65 volts. Sometimes it will jump, but mostly it keeps the same voltage. If it keeps the same voltage, that means catalytic converter is working and it is actually doing something. It is burning those emissions. When I open both sensors, oxygen sensor 1 and 2, the oxygen sensor 1 should be switching constantly from rich to lean, while oxygen sensor 2, you want to see it kind of steady. This is good example of working converter, because oxygen sensor 1 is switching as it should, but oxygen sensor 2 is keeping steady voltage. That means that it can actually store those harmful particles for burning. If you would see oxygen sensor 2 data copying behavior of oxygen sensor 1, so if I would see those green data going up and down constantly, same like red data for oxygen sensor 1, if they looks the same, that means you don't have catalytic converter in your vehicle. It might be deleted, or you have one but it is not working anymore. This is example of working catalytic converter.